In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Planner in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to organize your tasks and projects efficiently, then Microsoft Planner is an excellent tool to help you get started. Let's walk through this simple process step by step, making sure you can access Microsoft Planner quickly and easily. First things first, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever browser you feel most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar at the top. In this search bar, go ahead and type in Microsoft Planner. Press Enter on your keyboard or click the search icon. You'll see a list of search results pop up. Among these results, look for the one that either appears as the top result or has a URL that reads planner.cloud.microsoft.com. This is the official site for Microsoft Planner, so clicking this link will take you to the right place. Often, this link will be at or near the top of your search results list, which makes it quite easy to find. Once the Microsoft Planner page has loaded, the next thing you'll see is the option to sign in. Click on the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Now, you're either automatically signed in or prompted to do so. If you already have an active Microsoft 365 account, there's a chance you might be logged in automatically if your credentials are saved. However, if you aren't automatically signed in, don't worry. It only takes a moment. You'll see a login screen prompting you to enter your Microsoft account details. Go ahead and type in your email address that is associated with your Microsoft 365 account. After entering your email address, you'll then need to provide your password. Ensure that your password is entered correctly, paying attention to any uppercase or lowercase letters, numbers, or symbols. Once those details are entered and verified, you should find yourself logged into your Microsoft 365 account and ready to launch into Microsoft Planner. It's that straightforward. Congratulations, you have now successfully opened Microsoft Planner. Now you're all set to start planning your tasks, assigning responsibilities, and organizing your projects effectively. By following these steps, you should now be able to easily access and open Microsoft Planner anytime you need to manage your tasks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides on mastering your favorite productivity tools. See you in the next video.